Whispers of Swat and stories of Hunza. Whispers of Swat in the morning breeze echo through pines and ancient trees. The river hums a song so deep, where dreams awaken from their sleep. Stories of Hunza, hearts so bright, glowing softly through the night. From the mountains high to valleys low, our love for peace will always grow. Snow-kissed peaks and skies so clear, every voice of hope is near. Children laughing by crystal streams, building tomorrow from their dreams. In every heart a silent prayer, in every soul the courage to care. From Swat's whisper to Hunza's song, together we've been strong all along. Stories of Hunza, hearts so bright, glowing softly through the night. From the mountains high to valleys low, our love for peace will always grow. The whispers fade, but dreams remain, through joy and love, through loss and pain. From Swat to Hunza, under one sun, our story of peace has just begun.